Yo, what's going on, Akash?
Not much, Dean. What is going on with you?
Not much. Today is Friday. I bet I can guess one place you will go today.
Where?
Taco Bell.
Yes, of course. Yo, bro, I am going to get mad burritos and nachos today. I'm gonna take a large shit afterwards. It will be glorious.
Hada Akash, I have always been impressed by your fattest ability.
Likewise, bro. You are a superb fattest as well.
I appreciate that, Akash. You know who hasn't been so superb though?
Who hasn't been superb?
Ching-Meng Wang. He sucks just like the rest of the Yankees.
Shut up, man. We are better than the Mets. And the new Yankee Stadium is beautiful.
Citi Field is beautiful too. We gotta switch one game. Oh, and by the way, I hate A-Rod with a passion.
Dude, you should transfer to Barrack. We'll have mad fun, man, and you will do really well.
Well, I still want to go away, dude. But Cornell sucks. I'd rather be at Barrack than there. Hey, you never know.
Dean, come on. Come, dude. You won't regret it.
Have a bro. I look forward to seeing you when I come back. This summer should be the shit.
YAA, man. It will be great. Talk to you soon, bro.
Later, my man.